The Clarke CBB217C HD Plus is a top-of-the-range 7-drawer tool cabinet offering the ultimate in tool storage. It features a super smooth drawer sliding action thanks to its high-quality, heavy-duty ball-bearing sliders. The drawers also have an independent push-in soft lock feature, preventing them from opening accidentally if the unit is tilted. Additional features also include anti-slip liners in all drawers for protecting your tools, along with full-width, extra-large aluminium pull handles for easy use. Designed to be both stylish and ergonomic, the CBB217C Tool Cabinet features great-looking 5-inch industrial-grade locking chrome spoked wheels for easy mobility around the workshop, and a large chrome side handle that can be fitted to either side of the unit. It also features a soft, cushion matting on top of the cabinet, providing a non-slip work surface along with being the perfect base for the Clarke CBB209C 9-drawer tool chest. The CBB217C is manufactured from extra heavy gauge double-wall steel with a reinforced base. This tool storage solution is really built to last and features a single tumbler lock for security. It is supplied with 2 keys. So, with its multi-ball bearing drawer runners for a super smooth sliding action, special push lock feature for drawer stability, full-width aluminium pull handles, protective anti-slip liners, and single-key drawer lock, the Clarke CBB217C offers amazing value for money and will store your tools for many years to come.